Have you ever read a post and thought, that sounds dead? That sounds flat. And that's because most prompts are that exactly. They're robotic, written from the head, not from the heart. But what if I told you your content could sound like it's coming from your higher self? If it's coming from the essence of the vision, of the mission, of the purpose that you are transmuting through service in your business. So that's what I teach in my Manifesto Blueprint Workshop. You won't learn marketing hacks. You'll learn how to prompt, how to execute, and how to use the AI as your like a most high valued concierge assistant that reflects who you are, your voice, your vision, your mission, and your purpose. So if your AI still sounds like ChatGPT 101, let's change that. Join my manifesto workshop. Find the link just below this video.